Hi, I got a Panasonic stereo model rs6600 and it does work. Radio's working. Let's do the tape. And it's got an 8-track player here. Definitely needs to be cleaned. And I do hear some cross tracking. And the eject button does work. The only light I got on right now is this one. I don't see no lights across the top, so I'll take the cover off, take a look at the inside. I got the front cover off, and I got this board here loose, just enough. Let me get inside here to this mechanism and see if I clean it up, add a little new grease where it's needed. I got all this apart. It'll let me clean things up. There's the parts that came out of it. I add new grease to it. And on the back side here, I took the pulleys out. Got them out. There's the old belt, looks kind of raunchy, so I found one that's just maybe a 1/4 inch smaller. That one's probably stretched out anyway, so see if I get all this back together now. I got everything back together. The FM is working. I got a record going. I got cassette tape going. I got the 8-track going. And it does eject by itself. And I got a CD going. So this thing turned out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.